All right, fellas, so what's the job that we got here today?
Today we got 4 windows cut and then removed. We got 6 floors to be done, and we got a trench, 8-foot trench to be cut out here on the floor.
How long do you think this would take to get done from start to finish?
This is an all-day job, but for today we're only going to cut the windows, so I'd say about 3-4 hours. 4 hours will be here.
Like they want their cops to come up here.
Okay.
So the saw is connected by wireless to the controller is connected wirelessly to the saw. Basically, once we turn it on, we can move the saw. Right now, you can move it close, go in, pull out, move it side to side.
Shane, my man, what's the purpose of wetting everything down first?
It's easier to wash off the slurry if you have to. In this case, it's probably not the biggest deal to have it washed down because everything's getting covered. But if you're cutting from outside, definitely wash it down prior to getting slurry on it, and it'll rinse off a lot easier.
Awesome, thank you.